Welcome to Awery Documents Library demo. Document Library as an instrument for documents distribution and control within the company. It consists of a web application and mobile applications both for iOS and Android platforms. In this demo, we'll go over the whole process to understand how you can manage manuals and documents distribution in your company using Documents Library. Once you've got your trial about the subscription, you will see the system in the baseline condition. As we can see, now there is only one sample of document in all documents list. Let us create a new one. And before we create our first document, we need to make some settings in order to provide the documents distribution in the best way. Click Settings to see your account settings. Here we can upload the photo, change the password, or add additional emails. Now let's add settings to your company. In the top menu, choose Configuration, then click Departments. Here we can see departments set by default, but let's create a new one. For example, a marketing department as a part of sales. Click Create New. Enter the title and description if needed. Then choose a head department, in our case, sales. Press Save Changes. The next stage, positions for each department. So, according to our case, we're going to add a new position in the marketing department. Click Create New. Enter the title, Marketing Manager, choose a department and press Save Changes. And here we get our marketing department creation completed. Now we have to check groups of users and configure them. Here we can see two groups. Admin with maximum access level and user with limited access level. Firstly, we create a new group, Training Team. In our case, we need to distribute training manual for flight crew. In Training Team, we can set the permissions for group. Click Document Edit and see the bounded permissions. Besides, you can set additional permissions. Here we have Receive Reports. Press Save All Settings. Now we have all needed for user creation, so let's create one. Press Create New, enter login, password, name and surname, email, choose a group, position, and save changes. Here we have our test user created. Before we create the first document, let's check the documents types to make sure that we have all types of documents we need at the current stage. As you can see, the system has a lot of document types by default. An administrator can create a new one or use an existing type as we're going to do. You can also add a location or change an existing one, which allows to manage documents distribution all over the offices. So we're ready to make our new document. In our case, it will be Flight Crew Training Manual. Please follow 5 basic steps to create a document. Step 1. Document. Add title, description, document number, and author. By default, the author is the same as the user. Choose Status, is draft by default. Select document type and developer department. Auto Active Status in position Yes means that after confirmation of document by auditors, the status will be changed to active. Press Next. Step 2. Revision. Enter name, notes, and read update, which means the deadline for document revision. Enter review date for expiration date control, and notification date, additional notification for those who haven't reviewed. Choose distribution type and location. Tick the needed actions. Step 3. Upload the file. Step 4. Assign users and auditors for the document. And as the last step, we need to check the details one more time and confirm. Draft of the document is created. All auditors should confirm the document to make it active. Now we log in as previously created user to see how an assigned user interacts with the system. First of all, an assigned user receives email notification as soon as the document status changed to active. As we can see, the user got one notification for review. Click on it to see document details, file, list of auditors, and user actions list. Download the document to study it. After the document was read, click the Accept button and leave the comments if necessary. Also, we can get full report about documents revision by all users. Open the document and click Report. When logged back in as admin user, we can see that progress value has changed. All of the assigned users have read the document. So that's the documents distribution and control process in general. Being user-friendly, our system supports all main office programs and formats. Simple interface makes working process easy and more effective. Thank you for watching this demo. You're welcome to apply for free trial at the main page of our website, awery.ira.